that. 2 S's.
There you go. And there's really no relief in sight either.
Oh, good. Until November.
I mean, it's not quite summer yet, but we are getting there. It certainly feels like summer.
Yeah.
Unofficial summer. This is just kind of like an appetizer to the main course, right? There you go. Skyview and Longview, we continue to see a couple of clouds around, but look at this wind. Neil is certainly right about that. We are seeing a strong southerly wind, and that is forecasted to continue as we move into tomorrow. Good news is temperatures are not quite as gross as what they were. We're at about 81 degrees. Winds are out of the south-southeast at 14 miles per hour. No fog or anything out there as of right now. High temperatures today were well into the 90s. We did hit 96 in Henderson. It was 91 in Nacogdoches, 93 of course in Tyler. Temperature-wise right now, we are in the upper 70s and lower 80s. So those temperatures have come down just a hair, but it's still going to be warm and humid tonight because these dew points have not decreased. They've actually increased since 6 o'clock this evening. We're in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Look at Crockett right there. Dew point is 75 degrees. Now, scientific word there, that is gross. Let's go ahead and talk about tonight's forecast. 73 degrees, that is your low temperature. Clouds will be on the increase a little later. That's just because it's so humid as those temperatures continue to decrease. And then as we move into Tuesday, we'll hit 93 again, mostly clear, warm, and humid by the afternoon. And that's not all. Remember, it's a tropical environment right now. We do have a chance that we could see our first named storm in the Atlantic Basin. Now, this is what's left of Hurricane Agatha, and that will be moving into the Gulf of Mexico. About a 50% chance that this develops in the next 5 days. Not really a chance that it develops in the next 2 because it's going to be over land in that time frame. Now, here are the June tropical formation zones. The prime area for development, a lot of times where we see the A or the B storms, is right here, just off the west coast of Florida. But once again, this storm is going to kind of be right in the middle of path A and path B, so it will be interesting to see how this materializes here over the next week or so. Heat and humidity is going to continue for us. It's an area of high pressure just off the coast of Texas, and that will keep the heat and humidity in the forecast. But it moves away by Thursday, and we will have rain chances as a result. Here comes the front. We could see a couple of showers and thunderstorms as early as Thursday morning. That's about 9 o'clock, and we'll continue with some off and on rain chances, especially the further north you go to the north of Interstate 20 through about noontime Thursday. And we could see a couple of waves of complexes of storms that could try and make their way into our region. And for the most part, the rain is done as we move into Saturday. Rainfall totals not all that impressive. Some areas to our north, northwest, and northeast will see the highest totals. Everybody else either from a couple hundredths of an inch of rain, maybe to a couple tenths of an inch of rain. So not a lot of rainfall. That's why I'm keeping our rain chances low at this point. 20 to 30% of us will see those showers and thunderstorms Thursday and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, high temperatures back in the lower 90s, middle 90s by Monday. Deep East Texas, similar trend with those high temperatures, maybe a degree or 2 warmer for Thursday and Friday. Neil?
All right, sports tonight. They didn't go as far as they wanted, but you know what? The UT